Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to hide chat and meet in Gmail, giving you the flexibility to focus on what matters most. To begin, open up your Gmail account, look up at the top right corner of your Gmail interface, and then you'll see a gear-shaped icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now choose See All Settings. In the settings page, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Chat and Meet. Here, you'll have the option to choose whether you want to show Chat and Meet in your Gmail. Now, we will turn off the Chat and Meet in Gmail or hide the Meet section in the main menu. Now, after that, all you have to do is to click Save Changes. Once you've saved your changes, your Gmail interface will update, showing only what you want to see. And that's it. You now know how to hide chat and meet in Gmail, tailoring your email experience to your needs. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to hide chat and meet in Gmail. See you on my next video.